Vespa, the iconic Italian scooter brand, has launched its latest exclusive model, the Vespa 946 Snake-Icy, to celebrate the year of the snake in the lunar calendar, a limited edition that will only be produced in 888 units worldwide. This model is part of Vespa's annual tradition to commemorate the Chinese zodiac symbol, continuing the success of the Vespa 946 Dragon, released last year to welcome the Year of the Dragon. With a unique design, innovative features, and a limited production of only 888 units, the Vespa 946 Snake-Icy is expected to be sought after by collectors and Vespa enthusiasts worldwide. Overall, the main components of the Vespa 946 Snake-Icy still use a design similar to other Vespa 946 models. As a flagship model, this scooter still carries an attractive aerodynamic design, with a shape that resembles a bee. However, what distinguishes this variant is the light blue coating that gives a cold impression and is in accordance with the ice concept theme it carries. Other prominent details can be found on the handlebars and seat, decorated with reptile skin motifs, as well as the snake logo embedded in the front fender and the hinge under the seat, adding to the uniqueness of this variant. Vespa supporting accessories include a helmet that has the same color as the scooter body and a bomber jacket with the Vespa 946 Snake-Icy design. Vespa plans to open pop-up stores in various places to support its global launch. The introduction event for the Vespa 946 Snake-Icy began in Rome at the Renaissance Tritone and will run until February 5, 2024. Similar events will be held in several major cities, such as Milan, Vienna, Beijing, Istanbul, Singapore, Hanoi, Jakarta, and Bangkok. Given its status as a flagship model, the Vespa 946 Snake-Icy is expected to have a high price because the Vespa 946 has always been a collector's favorite. However, the official price has not been announced.